Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to build this website. Here's an example of it. And I chose this theme because when I went to WordPress.org and I was looking for a good theme to choose for this example, I came across this one and seen that it had really good ratings, and you know, it obviously looks great too, but it's had over 778,000 downloads in total, which is saying something. Tons of 5-star reviews, so I decided to pick this one. Okay, so I just want to explain real quick what exactly I'm going to be doing in this tutorial today. I'm going to be showing you how to set up this demo to look exactly how it looks right now, but you're going to follow along behind me, and instead of you using all these images you see right here, say you have a diet website, a weight loss website, you're going to fill it in with images about weight loss. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to give you all the exact sizes of all the images you need so everything will fit perfectly. And I'm going to show you how to get it done really quickly so you can have a website up and running in literally no time. And a website that's going to look good and, you know, presentable, and it also looks great on mobile and you know, on tablets. Here's what it looks like on a tablet, iPad, and this is what it looks like on an iPhone, on a 6 Plus. So I mean, whatever device you're looking at it on, it's still going to look good. So if you're going to show somebody, you know, you don't have to be embarrassed by some, you know, weird website that's not mobile ready. Okay, so we're just going to jump right into it here. The first thing we're going to need to do is set up the hosting. I'm going to jump over to my website right here, which is createwpsite.com, and if you want to follow along and do exactly what I'm doing, I'm going to use GoDaddy hosting. I'm using it because it's super cheap and it's reliable, and you're going to get the whole, you can get a whole website for 1 year for $12, which is, you know, crazy, plus a free domain. So you can go here to and click this banner, or you can go up here to special deals. And again, if you have hosting already, you don't need to worry about this, just skip through. It's just the best way to get a good deal on this. I'm just going to go with this link right here, and it's going to send you over to GoDaddy. And there it is right there, $1 a month web hosting with the free domain. This is exactly what we want. I'm going to select the economy. You can select any, you know, package you want. It doesn't matter. It won't change anything. I'm just going to go with this one for this example. Okay, now pick your domain name, just whatever domain name you want, something that's going to be relevant to whatever your website's going to be about. I'm just going to do this one real quick. Okay, finance and solutions is available. Click add and continue. Okay, and then after you did that, you'll land on this page right here, and this is just going to show you your total, and since you click that link, it automatically applied this promotional code, and just to show you, we'll remove it, 1218. If you don't have that, it's back up to $60. So put that code, I'm going to put that code back in for sure. And then I'm going to go here, and I'm just going to go to proceed to checkout. Okay, and I'm going to sign up as a new customer. Okay, so I just entered all my information in. It's going to be blurred out for obvious reasons, but when you get the account information right here, email address, username, password, make sure you write all that stuff down, or just make a note of it somewhere, even though I'm pretty sure they're going to give it to you anyways. And the next thing you need to do is go down to payment information and pay however you want. I'm going to choose PayPal. Okay, and then after you pay, you're going to land on your confirmation page, and all you're going to do is, if everything looks right, 1218 should be your total. Click I agree, and then place your order. And that's it. You now have website hosting. Okay, now before we go and install WordPress, first I want you to go up here and go to Manage My Domains. and we're going to verify our email. We got to do that before we can do anything. So just come right here, click verify email. Now check your email and there should be some type of message there. Okay, so I'm going to go check my email now. Okay, and if you can see right here, it says action required. Verify your email. Okay, now that's it. Your account is verified. Now we're going to click here, go to my account, and we're going to set up WordPress. And you can do this if you want, or you can just skip it. I'm just going to click no thanks. Okay, so when we get on this page, we're going to go here, and we're going to go to web hosting and click manage. And right where it says new cPanel, click setup. Now you can select from your domain. It's already selected. I'm going to go here and I'm going to create a username and a password. Okay, now after you do that, make sure you make some kind of note of that and then click finish. Now we're going to click get started. Okay, now you should be in your cPanel, and to install WordPress, we're just going to scroll down here to Web Applications and click WordPress. Okay, then come right here and hit install this application. Okay, now when it gets to this part, we're just going to leave it blank, so anytime anybody goes to this link, they'll land on your page. Scroll down here. This stuff should be all figured out for you right here. I'm going to click install. Okay, and then you'll land on this page after you're done. And if you ever need to edit your password or any of those type of things, you can go here, view edit details. It'll give you all your stuff right here. You can edit all that. I'm going to go here and I'm going to click this one that says /WordPress admin. Alright, now the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to go over to my guide. This is basically the PDF version of this video right here, which I'm also going to include. If you look at in the description, you'll be able to access this anytime you want. This is good just to because it shows you how to do everything step by step, but in text format. So go here. We already did all that. This is all just the hosting setup. You can see how detailed it is. Okay, now step 3, theme options and settings. Okay, now that's the first thing we're going to do. We're going to go to appearance, themes. We're going to go to add new. Right here in the search box, you're going to type virtue. And there's the theme right there. We can preview it real quick. See, this is how it looks right now. Just nothing like the actual setup demo version. Just, nothing. No content. None of that. You can click install. Okay, then after you click that, that's what it's going to look like. We're going to go back to our dashboard here. Now we're going to go to plugins. We're going to click add new. And again, for this, we're going to search virtue. Come here, click install now. Virtual Pinnacle Toolkit. Activate plugin. Okay, now we're going to go to and start customizing the theme. You're going to go to appearance, theme options. Okay, now if I don't if I don't change any of this stuff, then just leave it as it's in its default setting right there. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to upload a logo. Okay, here's the Virtue logo right there. And again, in this guide, another useful reason you might want to take a look at this guide is this is where all the sizes are going to be for the images. I'm also going to include that in the video, you'll see too, but it's just another spot you can reference any of the sizes for any of the banners. So I'm going to click that. And again, this one right here, you can upload this. It's not super necessary if you want to. 550 by 87. And click Save Changes. Okay, that's done. And now we're going to scroll back up here. We're going to go to Home Slider Settings. And before you do anything, click this. Change this to Flex Slider. Otherwise, you won't have the 3 sliding images. Click Upload, New Slide. We're going to upload a total of 3 slides. You don't even have to do 3 if you don't want to. You can just do 1, but it looks better if you add a couple. The second one. And here's the third one. Okay, and if you want to too, you can see you can add you know, so anytime somebody clicks these here, you can add your link in. So if you want them to go to somewhere when they click a certain banner, you can add that right there. Add a title, description if you want to. But for this, I'm just gonna move on to the next thing, and we're gonna adjust this height to 450 instead of 400, and then click Save Changes. Okay, then we're gonna scroll back up here. We're gonna go to Home Layout. And for this, the only thing we're going to do here is we're going to take the page title and page content and move it over to the disabled. Move this. Move these back here. That's what we need to do right there. And then I'm going to type right there. And you'll be able to see where all this stuff is actually ending up after I refresh the page on the demo. Then I'm going to add featured projects to this one. And like I said before, you add whatever is your website, you add whatever you think is necessary right here. And again, you'll see where it all is, so you can adjust it from there. And we're going to go here, click New Icon. First one is, we're going to look for the pencil. There it is. Title, Clean Design. Add another one. This one's going to be a mobile phone. Third one. This one's going to be the shopping cart. And the last one is going to be gears, icon gears. Tons of options. Okay, that's it right there. And we're going to change this to 4. We're going to click Save Changes. Okay, then we're going to scroll back up here and we're going to go to Page/Post Settings all the way down here. Okay, we're going to come here and we're going to turn this on and this on. Scroll down. We're going to go here where it says Portrait Image. Click on this, make this into text. Scroll down here, click Save Changes. Alright, then you're going to scroll back up here, go to Miscellaneous Settings. And right here, this is, you can add your footer, you know, copyright, whatever your website is. Contact form for email, just type in, you know, whatever your email address is you want people to go to. Favicon, upload this real quick. This is a 16 by 16 size image. real small. It's just these right here, as you can see. That's what it looks like right there. Okay, then we're going to come down here, create custom sidebars. We're going to name that sidebar 1, click add more, click save. Alright, now that's it for the theme options. We're going to go here, first we're going to go to post, whoops. We're going to go to post and we're going to click categories. Then we're going to add in 3 categories. I'm going to add in adventure, photos, and video posts. You can add whatever you want in. Okay, then we're going to come over here. We're going to go to posts and we're going to click add new. Okay, we're going to add the first post, and I already have these all set up. Use the post. And as you can see, that's just example text right there, just to fill out the text space. Then we're going to come over here, we're going to click set featured image, which is important. Click on this one. Set featured image. Okay, then click, you can add it to any category you want, depending on what it is. Click publish. We're going to add another one. Okay, then we're just going to click all posts right here so you can see them. And there's the 4 new posts. And then I'm going to get rid of this example post right here. That comes on by default, and just click move to trash, hit apply. Okay, that one's gone now. Alright, we're going to head over to portfolio and add new. We're going to add 3 portfolios. These are kind of like posts, but a little bit different. And the featured image size is going to be 366 instead of 270 by 270. And again, I have those portfolios pre-made. As you can see, they look really similar to just a blog post. Go here, same thing as the post. Select that. Okay, now hit publish. I'm going to do this 2 more times. Okay, and here's my 3rd and last portfolio post. About to hit publish. And we're getting close to the end here. Okay, then real quick, we're going to add a widget in. Just something to help the site look a little more put together, and it's right here. Just take that, drag it up here, put it right under the meta, click save. Okay, and now the final steps are we're going to create the menus. We're going to go right here to appearance, click menus. Okay, so now I'm going to go right here to the custom links, and I'm going to add in 5 menus. First one's going to be home, and I'm actually going to just use this link for the example. Okay, so for this example right here, this is home, so I'm going to set it to my home page. But if you want the next one to be something else, then you just link to wherever you want the person to go when they click it, and then click add to menu. And I'm going to do this 4 more times for these other ones. Okay, now I've added these 5 or 6 rather, and I'm going to click save menu. Alright, now that was actually the last step. The blog should look complete now. Go up here and click here, click visit site, and there it is right there. Just like the demo. So all you have to do is simply add in the images you want, put in the content you want, make it right for your website, and you're going to have something that looks professional and clean looking. It's mobile optimized, and best of all, free. Alright, just one more thing I wanted to show you, and that's how to change your site title. I'm just going to change this to finance and solutions, and you can add a tagline if you want, because if you see right here it just says my blog. That's the default. And now watch, I'll save this, And then if we go right over here, go back and refresh the page, you can see it says Finance and Solutions now. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. That's, in no time at all you can have a super professional looking website for super cheap. Again, this cost me $12, and that's for a full year of having the website. I never have to pay again for an entire year. $12. I mean, you can't really beat that. So again guys, if you got any questions, you can email me, get the guide below in the description, the text version, the PDF version. Gives my email if you want to send me any messages or anything. I'm always there to help. I hope you like this video and enjoy your new website.